Oops. Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the 1993 Buick Lesabre. This is my grandparents' old car. Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh man, I think I already lost. Oh no, just kidding. Leather seats. Look at that. Look at that. Can't actually drive it anywhere right now on video for you guys because I don't have my license still, but yeah. So it's actually not too bad as far as technology. Look at that. You can, wait, can I zoom in? The passenger can have a separate temperature set over there. But you have to turn the lights on and off yourself, so something tells me that some of you guys are going to get some practice jumping a car. Daisy's favorite part of any car is windshield wipers. We're going to see how she likes that. Oh god, how do you make it stop? Okay, just kidding. How the hell do you make this? Okay, just kidding, I don't know how to make the windshield wipers work. How to make them work. Let's do that again, Daisy. Wait. I want to see what the horn sounds like, but they're driving so slow. Oh man. Nice. Nice. Wow. Comes with all this. Nice. Earlier this week, the last time I drove was like 2 years ago, and the last time I drove was when my mom caught her hand on fire in the backyard when she was burning some brush with like lighter fluid, and so I had to drive her to urgent care with her hands in a tub of water in a panic. That's how a lot of my stories go. So like, I'm not a bad driver, but I don't want you guys to have high expectations for my driving skills. So I was coming home from my grandparents' house one time. I was like 15 in my defense, and I was pulling into the driveway here, and I got a little bit too close to the edge of the garage, and so my mom started shouting at me, and in my panic I hit the gas instead of the brakes, and so I tore off the handle of our car on the driver's side, and the garage door still doesn't look too hot because, wait, can you even see that? Yeah, whatever. Cost a ton of money. Family won't let me forget that one. I didn't take any video of move out or of any of you guys, so that's all it's gonna be this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Also, I got Chacos this week, so that pretty much sums up everything that's happened to me since move out.